Hi everyone. Have you noticed why Philippines is experiencing poverty? And that is our topic today. It's about exploitative labor practice in the Philippines. It involves unfair working conditions such as low wages, long hours, and unsafe workplace. According to the Philippines Statistic Authority, around 6.2 million Filipinos are underemployed, showing how common these abuses are, especially in rural and informal sector.
My name is Jairos. From a utilitarian perspective, exploitative labor is wrong because it harms the majority of workers and benefits only a few. Marxist theory also sees it as a form of oppression, where the rich exploit the poor. On the other hand, some business owners follow ethical egoism, believing action are right if they benefit their company, but ignores moral fairness.
Hi everyone, my name is Carden's P. Jobos, and what must be happening in biblical support? What must happen is the promotion of fair labor practice through strict enforcement of labor laws and respect for workers' rights. The Bible teaches fairness and justice in labor. In James chapter 5 verse 4, it says, "The wage you failed to pay the workers are crying out against you." And in Colossians chapter 4 verse 1, it reminds employees to provide what is right and fair.
Hi everyone, I'm Joven Aguilar. In recommendation and conclusion, to end this exploitative labor, the government should strictly enforce goal regulation, educate workers about their rights, and support ethical businesses. NGOs and churches can help monitor abuse. In conclusion, respecting workers reflect both good ethics and Christian values. Every Filipino deserves dignity and fairness in labor.